Now, Anicia Clavis for your Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, guys! Now for our student council.
Hello, Skyline Ranch Bulldogs. I am Mrs. Moran, and I'd like to introduce to you your 2020-21 Student Council, starting with Jocelyn.
Hi, my name is Jocelyn Kirk. I'm in 7th grade and I'm running for Spirit Commissioner. I want to make the school year fun, even though it may be different.
Next, we have Asia.
Hi, my name is Asia Thomas. I'm in 6th grade, my first year of STUCO, and I want to make this year joyful.
Next, we have Celeste.
Hi, I'm Celeste Clark. I'm in 8th grade. I'm currently running for Public Relations Officer. I hope to make the school year awesome.
Next, we have Kinsley.
Hi, my name is Kinsley Scott. I'm in 6th grade, and this is my first year in Student Council. I want to make the school year the best as possible.
Next, we have Riley.
Hi, my name is Riley Miller, and I'm in 6th grade, and this is my first year running. And I wanted to make the school year fun.
Next, we have Omari.
Hi, my name is Amari Thomas. I am in the 8th grade and I'm running for president, and this is my 3rd year in Student Council.
Next, we have Anicia.
Hi, my name is Anicia Clavis, and I am running for Vice President, and this is my 2nd year in STUCO.
Next, we have Evelyn.
Hello, my name is Evelyn Jenkins. I'm in 7th grade, and this is my first year in STUCO.
Next, we have Daniela.
Hi, my name is Daniela Perez. I'm in 8th grade, and this is my 2nd year in Student Council.
Next, we have Stella.
Hi, my name is Stella Bach. I'm in 8th grade. I am running to be your secretary. This would be my 2nd year in Student Council, and I hope to make it a great year.
Next, we have Danica.
Hello, my name is Danica Chavez. I'm in 7th grade, and this is my first year in STUCO.
Next, we have Autumn.
Hi, my name is Autumn Thomas, and I'm in 8th grade, and I'm running for treasurer, and this is my 3rd year in STUCO.
Next, we have Lily.
Hi, my name is Lily Bach, and I am in 6th grade, and this is my first year.
And there you have it, your student council for this year.
Hi everyone, now that you know your student council, let me introduce our first ever Skyline Ranch Virtual Challenge, the Oreo Cookie Face Challenge.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Nichols. I heard I was nominated to do the Oreo challenge. So of course I have to do it with Mr. Nichols and Maddie. And I'm already trying to figure out who I will be nominating next. So here goes.
We doing it?
We're doing it.
Okay.
So I'll hate it.
Whoops. What if it comes apart?
I don't know. Okay. No cheating.
Oh, crap.
Okay, we are gonna have to edit it.
Okay, we're gonna, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh! Did you get it?
Did you get it?
Oh!
Did you really?
Oh, I didn't get it, but Maddie got it. Woohoo! Mr. ate the cookie.
I quit. I can't do it.
And the dog ate the cookie. Okay, we nominate. Who?
Can it be an upper grade teacher? Oh, Mr. Dewey's nominated.
Oh!
Nope.
He's in this challenge with me. Okay.
I quit.
Any other picks?
Miss Nazario.
Yeah. We nominate Miss Nazario. All right. See everybody later. Bye.
Hey Bulldog family, it's Mr. Bach, assistant principal, and I'll be racing in the cookie face with Vivian in 4th grade. Here you go, Jake. This is gonna.
Oh. I took my hand on accident. I want that needle. It's stuck on my eyeball.
You gotta catch these. The dogs can get sick.
Mm-hmm. It's in my eye.
Got this. Got this.
No.
Oh, good.
Dude. No, Daddy, no. No.
You got it.
You're almost there.
I'm so close. My eyeball hurts.
I nominate Mr. Hernandez.
Hello, Skyline Ranch family and Stuco. Here we go. Oreo Challenge, Mr. C. Done. 6.34 seconds. I challenge Miss Hall for the Oreo Challenge. Beat that one. Woo!
Hi, I'm Mr. Kemper, and this is the Oreo Challenge. Woo! I nominate Mr. Healy. See if you can beat my time.
Thank you to those of you who participated in our challenge. Now, here's a word from our admin.
Hi Bulldogs, it's Mrs. Hall, your new school principal. We are so excited that this year is up and running, and I love how hard you guys have been working. I'm really proud of all the work you've been putting in. You guys are showing up for all your classes and really doing a great job. And this week is Spirit Week, so we're starting off with Mustache Monday. Do you guys all have your mustaches on? I want to see those pictures of you with all of your mustaches today celebrating Mustache Monday. And we've got a lot of great days coming up for Spirit Week, including tomorrow, Tuesday, is Twin Day. I wonder who I could be a twin with. I'll have to think on that one. Have a great time, guys. Let's enjoy the wrap up here of this quarter. And we are very much looking forward to seeing you on campus with us for the start of second quarter. Bye, guys.
Hey, Skyline Ranch Bulldogs. Melissa Scott here, your PTA president. I just wanted to say hi, and we hope that you guys are all excited to come back to school soon, and we're doing our best to help support the school and make things safe and exciting for you guys to come back. We're working on lots of virtual events, and we're here to support you, and we miss you guys greatly. I have a few friends here that want to say hi. Hang in there. Keep up the good work. Be nice to your parents. We'll see you all soon. Bye.
Hey Bulldogs, Selena Saxey here, your PTA Vice President. I just wanted to say thank you for working so hard from home this year. I know distance learning has been frustrating, and I know you're probably bored, stuck at home, but did you know you've been doing this for a month now? And you're all doing a really great job. Keep up the good work. You can do it. If your parents are driving you nuts because they're stuck at home too and they're getting bored, the PTA is looking for members and volunteers to help us plan some cool virtual events for you this year. Have them reach out to us at skylineranchk8pta@gmail.com. Hang in there, Bulldogs. Stay safe and stay Bulldog strong.
Skyline Ranch Bulldogs. It's Claudine Carter here, your PTA treasurer. I just wanted to say how excited we all are for everyone to come back to school and see all your friends and your teachers. I know everyone's looking forward to it. I also wanted to give a little shout out and say how proud we are of how well everyone's adapted to the transition of virtual learning. I know it's been tough. There's been frustrations, confusion, but you guys have all hung in there and you're all doing a great job. So we're super proud of you. And we can't wait to see you all back at school. And please let us know if you have any questions. You can always reach out to us, and stay safe. Thanks. Bye.
Hey Bulldogs, it's Tiffany Durson, PTA Secretary. I just wanted to say that we're proud of you. Keep up the good work and continue to make your parents proud. And also remember that the most beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you.
That's all, Bulldogs. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram and look out for more videos. Bye. Bye.